Hello guys, welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. In microPython series, today we are going to make LED chaser with ESP board by using microPython programming. Let us start. First, I will make circuit diagram. First, I will program for ESP32 board. So I will take first ESP32. Okay. And I will take LED. First LED, second LED, third LED, and resistor. We want 330 ohm resistor, so I will change here 330 ohm. Copy and paste. Three resistor for 3 LEDs. Okay, I will connect a resistor. Resistor will be connected on anode terminal of LED. Okay. I am using here 21, 22 and 23 number GPIO. So this is 23 number GPIO. So I will connect here. This is 22 number GPIO. So I will connect second number LED. This is 21 number GPIO. I will connect to third number LED. Okay. Okay. Now we need to connect the cathode terminal to ground. So this is ground. And I will connect to ground here. I will change the color for recognize purpose, black. All ground wire are black color and LEDs output is red, green. Okay, circuit is completed. Now we will see microPython programming. So I will open new PyCraft IDE, cancel. I have connected here my board to my system. So COM port 3 is for my board, ESP board. Okay, I will take new file and I will save. I will type here LED chaser ESP32. Okay. First I will import machine module from machine import pin. Okay, so this is machine module and this is class of machine module. So in all our script I will use machine module. The machine module contains many classes. I don't need all those classes in every script in microPython because I am writing code in constant condition. I should import only what we need. So I import only pin from machine module. Here is same from time module. I will import sleep. Okay, here I am using 3 LED, so I will make here 3 instantiating pin object. So LED underscore 1 equal to pin. In this object we have to pass first pin number. So I am using here pin 21, 22 and 23. So first I will use 21. Pin dot out. Okay, it's been created as a output. So again we'll copy and paste. Two, three. Here is small. Okay. 22 number pin and 23 number pin. I will turn on all LEDs at once. So LED underscore 1 dot value, I will pass here 1. I will pass here 1 because of I want to turn on LED. Here I will use sleep for 1 second, and again all LEDs will be turned off. Then I will pass here 0 0 0. Okay, I think first for testing purpose I will save, stop and run. Okay, here you can see all LED was turned on for 1 second and again turn off. Okay, so I will use here again delay for 0.25 second. And here I will take a infinite loop while true. LED 1 that values here will be on, and LEDs 2 values, this is off, and LED 3 that values, it will be again off, and here sleep 0.5 millisecond. Okay, first I will run this for testing purpose. Okay, it is working. So again LED 1 that values, this time it will be on, off, and LED 2 it will be on, LED 3 it will be off, and again sleep for half second. Okay, LED 1 that values will be turn off, LED 2 value will turn off, LED 3 will be turn on, and here again sleep. Code is completed. I will save, stop and download and run. Okay, here is some LED 2 that value. Okay, I will stop, save and run. Wow, it's working. Now you can see here LED is running. There is 0.5 second delay. Okay, now I will use this code in ESP8266. So we have to change a minute difference. Only I will change here the board. I will delete here and ESP8266. This wire will here. And this is ground. Okay. So this is 0 number GPIOs, 4 number GPIOs, 5 number GPIO. You can see here. D1 is 5, D2 is 4, D3 is 0. So D1 is 5, D2 is 4, D3 is 0. So I will save as LED chaser ESP8266. Okay, I will type here 0, 4 and 5. I will use my board, ESP board, ESP8266, and here this is same comport. Okay, comport 3 for ESP8266, and here's board again. Okay, now I will stop, save and run. Okay, not connected here. Stop, save and run. Wow, as you can see, LED is glowing. If this video is really helpful for you, so please do like, comment and share with your friend, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.